Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the wee knife Gava here with me for a quick maintenance video, and we're gonna see if we can improve the action of this knife over here. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's go ahead and see. Okay, so this guy is using T8 screws, but as you can see, like the handle screw is not really accessible, so you need to take down the pivot from, the pocket clip from this side before. Nicely bronze anodized screw right over there, I can see, and the pocket clip is just coming out like so, and we can put it right there, and then we're going to be able to access this other screw like that. This is going to be there, and then the pivot, which is of course keyed in, or it's not, I don't know, we're gonna find out. This side for sure it's not, is just spinning. And let's just oh yeah, it is, look at that, it's keyed in, and let's just wiggle gently the scale and this comes out. Very nice. So simple construction, some nice skeletonization going on right there. It's pretty clean, but we're gonna just use some of this alcohol. Yeah, there's some alcohol, of course, in this cloth, just to remove a little bit of gunk. And we can also clear these ceramic ball bearings, nicely caged. Like so, clean the tang of the blade from any grease. And we are pretty much good to go, guys. So you see how the pivot works. There's some notch there, which goes in this notch right there. So that's fine. We're gonna start, because that is keyed in, we're gonna start from the lock side with the pivot like so. Okay, we can just do like this, and then we are gonna use the bearings like in that position, and some 10 weight nano oil for the bearing, just a couple drops like so, and the blade can actually go in nice internal stop pin, and the bearings are going there, and another couple drops of nano oil, and you know, since we're already here, we're gonna use a micro drop of 85 weight nano oil, just a little smidge like that on the detent ball, and we are in business. So make sure everything is in place like that. We are going to use, so this was that's the clip, so we need to do this one first, but in order to do that first, we're gonna have to actually push this guy out, so we can actually screw it in a little bit like so, and make sure that is keyed in like so on this side, and absolutely flush with the scale like that. So from the other side you can use your T8 just to screw it in. So just like that, don't over tighten anything. Okay, that's gonna be fine. This is in. We're gonna do this one, which is the shortest one, and it's gonna be going inside the handle like that. Very good. And then you can do the pocket clip. So pocket clip on this side, this guy is on this side. We can actually disengage the blade and just make sure that you don't force anything. It has to find a natural way of threading in, which is this one, and easily goes in and catches the clip and then tightens everything down without forcing anything. So I think here, yeah, we need to definitely tighten up the pivot. Oh yeah, like so. So let's see, blade is perfectly centered. Action, I can already say that has been smoothened a little bit. Let me just make sure that the oil is nicely spread. Very good, guys. It's not drop shotty, there's no blade play. Maybe we can just release a little bit. Yeah, still no blade play. No, this is not gonna be a drop shotty knife because the blade is a little bit on the light side. But I think actually we can be happy. Oh yeah, it is very good. Absolutely. So there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.